Hello, everyone, and welcome to the introduction and the overview of the Certified Hyperledger Developer Certification Program. In this session, we are going to explain what it means to be a certified Hyperledger developer and how this can help you benefit your career prospects, research projects, job, or any other situation in which you can use the Hyperledger. So, who is a certified Hyperledger developer? A certified Hyperledger developer is a skilled professional who understands what Hyperledger is and how it works. A certified Hyperledger developer can use this knowledge to build private permissioned blockchain-based applications for enterprises and businesses. Students can use the knowledge of Hyperledger for research projects. CHD Credential certifies individuals in the Hyperledger discipline of distributed ledger technology from a vendor-neutral perspective. CHD program is an exhaustive training and exam-based program which aims to provide all the knowledge to the certificate holder within the Hyperledger space. The purpose of this program is to establish and govern the minimum standards for credentialing Hyperledger developers who specialize in enterprise development measures. We also want to assure the public that credentialed individuals meet or exceed the minimum standards, and reinforce the idea that Hyperledger developer is a unique and self-regulating profession. If you are looking to prove your skills to the world, then we think becoming a certified Hyperledger developer is the right choice for you. This certification is well suited to individuals from various domains. This certification will serve well to any kind of developer who wants to build permissioned applications for any enterprise. Hyperledger covers various domains like healthcare, network security, travel, finance, food industry, insurance, FMCG, manufacturing, etc. It provides a wide range for developers to use this technology depending on the use cases. Blockchain experts or enthusiasts who want to develop permissioned blockchain can also avail this program. The biggest benefit of completing this certification is that you will become far more employable, as nowadays many companies are looking for certified Hyperledger developers and certified blockchain developers. This is the perfect certification for you if you wish to gain an understanding of the permissioned blockchain and want to prove it during an interview. Furthermore, you will develop a deeper understanding of the permissioned blockchain and how it works. You will be able to apply your skills to any blockchain project and build your own blockchain business with this new skill. So what are the requirements for this program? Fundamentally, you should have a basic knowledge of blockchain, its types and use cases. Another requirement is a basic understanding of permissioned blockchain, as Hyperledger will help us to build applications on top of that. We will explain the core concepts in a much more profound way in this certification. So you must be motivated enough to learn about the Hyperledger deeply, because right now that's the most important prerequisite: motivation to learn. There is no recommended prior experience. If you are a student, engineer, or even if you are still in school and you want to understand this technology, then this is the best time for you to jump in. There will be 6 to 8 hours of total training, and after that, there will be a 1-hour exam. The exam will contain 60 questions which you have to answer, and you have to pass the minimum threshold to receive the certification. The exam will be of 100 marks, and you have at least 60 marks to pass the exam. If you fail the exam, you can retake it after 1 day. A total of 3 attempts are allowed. However, if you fail to get at least 60 marks after 3 attempts, then you will need to contact the Blockchain Council team to have manual assistance for clearing the exam. The certificate will be verifiable online on the Blockchain Council website, so potential employers can search for you and hire you for projects directly through this website. If they have other tasks, they can reach out to you from our websites. The course will be structured in the following way. We will go through the introduction first, where we will understand what the blockchain is, its types, and will also discuss the public and private blockchain. After that, we will dive into the Hyperledger ecosystem, where we will be discussing what Hyperledger is, its advantages and disadvantages. We will focus more on the Hyperledger fabric, its model and components. In the next module, we will discuss the Hyperledger architecture. In the same topic, we will be discussing the transaction flow and endorsement flow. This will give a clear idea of how transactions work on Hyperledger. After that, we will discuss the endorsement policies along with the data distribution protocol. The next topic will be around Hyperledger fabric chain code and its structure. At last, we will talk about the certificate authority and membership service provider. In the next module, we will be installing the prerequisites to start doing some hands-on. We will also install the Hyperledger fabric in our system with detailed discussion on it. Then we will look into the project overview and download the resource available. In the next module, we will start our first operation on Hyperledger fabric that will be about creation of a basic fabric network. In this module, we will discuss the fabric network in detail and see the folder structure. In the next topic, we will start our hands-on with creating the crypto materials. Then we will create the channel artifacts, which is nothing but Genesis block and channel.txt file. We will also have a walkthrough on Docker Compose file for running all the Docker containers. After all the containers will be up and running, we will create the channel and move to the chain code or smart contract. In the same module, we will perform several operations on chain code, and then we'll try to start the network again using a single script file. In the next module, we will be adding a new organization in the same existing network. We will look at the flow first and perform required actions to add the organization in the existing channel. In the next module, we will add a new organization in the consortium that is system channel. We will perform this operation because any organization should be part of the consortium to create a new channel. We will also try to create a new channel using that organization. In the 10th module, we will add a new raft orderer in the existing network. In the same module, we will at last check the whole network in detail. This module will bring closure to the different operations we will be performing on Hyperledger fabric. In the next module, we will have a hands-on project. In this hands-on project module, we will be developing a supply chain management system using Hyperledger fabric. The network will consist of several actors, and we will be also implementing a REST API to interact with the network. Hyperledger fabric is majorly used in supply chain management, and the network which we will be creating will serve as traceability control in a supply chain. Taking this into consideration, we will be taking the traceability of the food product, understanding its origin and trace it, and then trace the product through a producer, to the manufacturing factory, and then transform it to the end product, and then reaches to points of sale. We will be storing information about the product on the blockchain network while it's moving between different companies. The actors will be producer, deliverer, manufacturer, and retailers, which will act as peers in the organizations. These organizations will be responsible for storing states of product in blockchain, which will include product passes, from its capture, storing location, its transport of the raw material. For any queries, please visit community.blockchain-council.org. And you can also email us at hello@blockchain-council.org. Thank you.